Hello everyone, and welcome Military and History channel. Please subscribe. Turkey's Baykar company has started trials of the Bayraktar Kizilelma drone, which it describes as the country's first unmanned combat aircraft. Completing the test imagery at the Akinci Flight Training and Testing Center in the northwestern province of Tekirdag, which includes a taxiway before its first flight, gives us our best look so far at this unique unmanned aerial vehicle. It appears to be intended for a variety of combat roles, and is also supposed to be developed for operations from carriers. Development on Kizilelma started back in 2013, although the project was only revealed to the public in July 2021 when a conceptual study was presented. The first flights are slated to take place next year. That goal appears achievable based on the fact that a prototype is now undergoing field trials. Kızılelma, which means red apple in Turkish, has been developed by Baykar, who is responsible for the Bayraktar TB2, which has seen notable combat success at the hands of Azerbaijan and Ukraine, as well as the larger Bayraktar Akinci. The Kızılelma is a very different proposition, however. Claimed to be supersonic, at least in newer versions, have a degree of observable characteristics and adapted for the kind of aerial combat missions normally carried out by manned fighter jets. Powered by a single Ukrainian-designed Akinci Progress turbofan engine, the Kizilelma has a canard delta configuration as seen on several other observable fighter designs, including the Chinese J-20 man fighter and the mysterious Dark Sword drone. The use of canards is a trade-off between low observability and maneuverability, although some measures can be taken to limit their impact on radar signature. The tail surface consists of inclined vertical stabilizers. According to technical requirements, the Kizilelma should have an endurance of 5 to 6 hours, a combat radius of 500 nautical miles, and a service altitude of 35,000 feet. Maximum takeoff weight is 13,228 pounds, including a 3,306-pound payload. The payload will include a single-use arsenal carried in the internal weapons bay, further preserving its stealth characteristics. Possible weapons include examples of various air-to-ground precision munitions and air-to-air missiles developed by Turkish industry. While the first Kızılelma prototype and other early versions were expected to be powered by a non-afterburning Akinci Progress AI-25 TLT turbofan. These were planned to be replaced in later versions by an afterburning Akinci Progress AI-322F, which should ensure supersonic performance. Another important aspect of the Kızılelma is its claimed short takeoff and landing capability, which will supposedly allow it to operate from small aircraft carriers such as the Turkish Navy's Anadolu amphibious assault ship, which has a ski jump takeoff ramp in the bow.